Have you ever thought about whether running every day is your path to ultimate fitness or a shortcut to injury? Let's lace up and find out. Hey fitness fans! Welcome back. If you are new here, hit subscribe for more tips. Running is one of the most popular forms of exercise worldwide. But is running every day a good idea? Let's start with the pros. 1. Improved cardiovascular health. Running regularly strengthens your heart and reduces the risk of heart disease. 2. Weight management. It's a great way to burn calories and maintain a healthy weight. 3. Mental health boost. Running releases endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones, which can help combat stress and anxiety. But running every day isn't without its cons. 1. Risk of injury. Overuse can lead to injuries like runner's knee or shin splints. 2. May lead to burnout. Without rest days, you might lose motivation or feel physically and mentally drained. 3. Potential for muscle loss. Excessive cardio might lead to muscle loss if not balanced with strength training. So, should you run every day? It depends on your goals, fitness level, and how your body responds to running. That's all for today. Always listen to your body. And consult a healthcare professional before starting any new fitness program.